Number 2. Husqvarna 125BVX, the best lightweight gas leaf blower on the market. This powerhouse combines high power with a state-of-the-art ergonomic design, making it a top choice for tackling your yard work. The two-cycle engine delivers a powerful blowing force of 470 CFM at 170 miles per hour, making quick work of leaves and debris. The ergonomic balanced design of the blower tube and adjustable handle reduces strain and optimizes comfort during operation, so you can tackle your yard work without feeling fatigued. The blower vacuum combo feature allows you to easily switch between blowing and vacuuming leaves with the attachable vac kit, which uses mulching knives to reduce material and increase bag capacity. The effortless use of this gas leaf blower is a standout feature. The auto return stop switch makes starting a breeze, while the cruise control function allows for easier handling. One thing to note is the noisy operation, so be sure to wear ear protection when using. Overall, the Husqvarna 125BVX is a top choice for those in need of a powerful, lightweight gas leaf blower. Its combination of power, comfort, and ease of use make it a standout option for your yard work needs. Check out the Husqvarna 125BVX gas leaf blower vacuum kit and take your yard work to the next level. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.